What's going on, guys? Jonny Bubbles back with another Reshoevn8r challenge video. If you haven't already, guys, make sure you check out the other video with Tony D2 Wild, where he went ahead and messed up a pair of Yeezys for us. And you already know how we do. We clean it up, so we're 1-0. This time, guys, Hes Kick and his son went ahead and trashed some Sacais waffles that are in this box. And I'm not sure if you can see it, but we got a little homie right here, Maggot. I'll name him Fred. He's waving. Say hi. So I'm not sure what to expect, guys. I have the gloves on for safety. If there's a bunch of maggots in here, I'm telling you right now, I am out. I'm running, and Keegan behind the camera, you're gonna have to clean this shoe yourself, bro, because that's disgusting. But anyways, guys, let's go ahead and open it up. I'm not ready for this, dude. Let me go ahead and pick homie up real quick. We're gonna toss him in this tank I got to the side. I'm not wearing a mask for this opening, but I could already smell it, guys, so. Wow. All right, let's put that to the side. I think we're good. Should I flip, what do you think? Should I flip it? Should I just pull it out? I think we're good so far. I'm scared to like put my fingers in there, dude. Oh, they smell terrible. Not as bad as I thought it was gonna be, guys, honestly. I think we're good. There's one maggot in here. Fred's homie. All right, let's go ahead and pull these out. That's disgusting.
Oh. Is that mold?
I don't know what that is, guys. These are trash. There's another maggot in there. There's only a few maggots, so it's not as bad as I thought. All right, guys, the shoes are out of the box. They're wrapped up. Now, I know I said I wasn't gonna wear a mask, but after looking at the shoe, there's actual mold in here, and I don't wanna breathe it. So I'm gonna go ahead and have Victor throw on the mask for me. Victor, can I get that mask, bro? Ah!
Big ol' head.
All right, thank you, Victor. Now I feel like I got powers, dude. Let's open these up. Oh man. Yo, look at the mold. Oh. Bro. Bro, there's grass on the Sacais. Yo. This is not a good idea, guys. Oh man. All right, guys, so I have one shoe that's not in the saran wrap, and as you can see, it's just covered with mold. Mold and waffle mix is what's in this shoe. I don't know what I'm gonna do with these. Let's go ahead and open up the other shoe. A dead fly in here. Okay, this is definitely one of the worst cleanings we've had.
By far the worst.
This is nuts. All right, guys, the shoes are all out of the plastic. As you can see, Hes Kicks covered these with like waffle mix and syrup, and they just got completely ruined. Like the mold on the back heel tab right here. Look at the mold on the inside. It's just terrible. Obviously, there's like paper towel on the outsole. I don't know what I'm gonna do, guys. I have to rinse them off. I'm not gonna just start cleaning it like that, but this is gonna be one of the toughest cleanings I think I've ever done. But I have confidence in Reshoevn8r,
And in myself, because you already know I'm Jonny Bubbles, so we got this.
That is gross.
Did you like some waffles?
Way over that.
Let's go show Genesis what she got me into. Look. I need to show you the mold.
No, go away.
That's mold.
Oh, dude. What is that?
That's a fly.
Is that a fly stuck to it?
It was in there. It was dead.
Oh, dude, that's crazy.
All right.
All right, guys, so we're outside. I had to take off the mask because it's super hard to breathe with it on, but I really don't know what steps to take. I guess I'll just start peeling it away because there's a little bit of like paper towel, and then we'll rinse it with the water hose right here. And as you can see, the color is peeling. So keep that in mind when we start cleaning these shoes. I'm pretty sure the color on it is gonna be cooked. Oh man. It's time to spray, dude. All right, guys, we are back inside, out of that Arizona heat. It's still hot, it's still cooking out there, so I'm glad to be back in the AC. But as you can see, I sprayed them with the water hose. I was only able to get some chunks off. Unfortunately, there's a lot of waffle mix caked up on here, so I gotta go ahead and hit it with the brushes. Now, I am gonna be using Reshoevn8r's Ultimate Sneaker Kit. As you can see here, that you can find at Reshoevn8r.com. So with that comes in the detergent, 16-ounce bottles, all 3 brushes, shoe trees, towel, bowl, and a few other items. If you'd like to see what other items are on there, go ahead and shop Reshoevn8r.com. We got the whole list for you there. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and just move this box out of the way. I'm gonna set down this used towel. And I guess I'm gonna start with the left shoe because it looks like it's a lot better shape. Put that one to the side. And as always, guys, first step, remove the laces. Now that the laces are removed, guys, I don't normally do this. I normally leave this up to Vic, and that's removing the insole. But I have to do it for this one if it's not glued. I hope it's not glued. I mean, it's definitely glued, but I'm gonna pull it anyways because it's trash. Oh, actually, it's pretty bad in there. All right, guys, so I was gonna pull the insole out. Instead, I'm just gonna leave it. It appears that the waffle mix has caused the insole to stick even more to the shoe. So next step is to grab our solution. Now, once again, I am using the Ultimate Kit, so that's why you see the 16-ounce bottle. Same steps will apply though. Just a quick little 2 squirts there. I'll add 1 more squirt just because it's a little cooked. And the first brush I'm gonna use is the soft bristle brush. All right, guys, as you can see, I just started to scrub the suede on here and the yellow is starting to bleed. Now, this might happen if you try to clean a regular dirty Sacais, so just be careful with that. You always wanna make sure you test it on a small area first. Like if this wasn't covered with mold, I would have probably tested it right here first. If it bled a lot, I would have stopped and be like, nah, I'm not cleaning these. But for this instance, we're gonna clean it up and see how bad that suede actually fades. So let's keep it going. right, guys, I am done using the soft bristle brush on the entire uppers. I wasn't really expecting it to remove the waffle mix. It was more for the suds. Anytime you want really, really good suds, you want to make sure you start with that soft bristle brush. That's what's going to go ahead and break down the dirt, the waffle mix, if that's what you have in the mold. Get it real soapy. And now I'm going to go ahead and move on to cleaning the uppers with the medium all-purpose brush. And I'm going to hopefully remove the waffle mix that's caked on here. So let's go ahead and use this brush now. All right, guys, now that the insole is all clean, just a heads up, I went ahead and switched out the towel because it was cooked. There is still a little bit of like waffle mix in the mesh. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put the shoe tree in. Now typically, guys, as you see from other videos, we go ahead and insert the shoe tree first. And that is because it keeps the form of the shoe. But because this one was so cooked, I went ahead and wanted to clean the inside first. And now I have that shoe tree on there. And as you can see, what that does is it helps shape the shoe, and it also allows you to apply more pressure on that toe box. For example, here, where I can go ahead and press as hard as I would like, and it's not gonna cause any damage. Now, just a heads up, there are some mesh materials that are a lot more delicate than the Sacais, so you might not want to use the all-purpose brush. Always test on a small area first. If you start to feel the snag, just go ahead and use a soft bristle brush, the best of your abilities. But once again, guys, the laundry system will go ahead and flush out the whole mesh area anyways. This is just an added cleaning that you want to do. The midsoles are all hit up, guys. The stiff brush did its thing. I was able to get all that cake off of here. Now I do want to point out that there are a few little stains here, and I'm not sure if you can see it on camera, but that yellow, when I was cleaning the suede, I'm not sure if it bled into this material yet. I'm not gonna know until after the laundry system, but for the most part, I don't have any more waffle mix on that midsole. So now I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the outsole, get this remaining waffle mix with the stiff brush, and then we'll put the shoe in the laundry bag. So let's continue cleaning this shoe. So that's it for the outsole, guys. Last and final step before we put these shoes in the wash is to grab the laces and dip them into the water and solution mixture just like so. Now I'm gonna go ahead and just push them down, let it get soapy. All right, now that these laces are done, just put the shoe in the laundry bag. Just throw the laces in there. Go ahead and lock it up. Boom. Lock up the side as well. And what I like to do, guys, is with this top one here, if you have this extra length, just go ahead and wrap it around the shoe. Meet it with the other side and tie it up. That way, if you have one of the washers, like with the little agitator in the middle, the little thing, it won't get caught up in there, and you'll be nice and ready to go. So let's go put these in the wash. All right, Keegan, let's hit it, bro. First thing, just drop it in there like so. If you have the tray where you can put detergent, you can go ahead and open that up. I'm gonna loosen the cap, squeeze to about 1 ounce. Pour it in there. Yeah. Close the tray. Close the lid. All right, you always want to use normal cycle, cold water, and that's about it. Go ahead and hit start. 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 And start. All right, guys, I am back. It's been about a week since I first started shooting this video, guys, and honestly, this shoot took way too long to clean. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, it was a super duper hard challenge, but we went ahead and took it on, and I'm gonna go ahead and say, we took a W. Keegan, add the claps real quick, go ahead. Yup, that's right, you heard me, we took the dub. Shout out to Hes Kicks for throwing waffle mix on this Sacais. As you can see, the right pair is still disgusting. It still has its mold on there. I'm not gonna touch it because I don't have my gloves on, but it's still disgusting and crunchy. Now let me go ahead and give you guys a quick 360 of the shoe. Now, a few areas I still want to point out, guys, is this back heel where there was like a lot of mold. Unfortunately, it just kind of stained the material. Wasn't able to get that out. Same thing with this sock liner here. A little bit of mold stains in there, but overall, guys, for how bad these shoes were, we did its thing, guys. Like, this is the best you can do. Just make sure you guys don't throw a waffle mix on your Sacais waffles and leave it for like 2 weeks, because if that's the case, you're gonna get mold, guys. Once again, guys, this was all achieved using the Ultimate Sneaker Cleaning Kit that you can find at Reshoevn8r.com. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so that way you are up to date on all the videos that we're posting. I'm Jonny Bubbles. I'll see you guys next time.